Hello guys, maglalaro ako ngayon guys ng Sniper 3D guys. Ito siya. Tingnan natin guys, kung marunong akong mag-sniper. Sniper 3D. Ayan yung mission ko guys. Yung may limang sniper ako na dapat ko rin siya lang i-kill. Ayan guys. Mag-start now guys. So where are you? Where are you? Saan kayo nagtatago? Okay. Ayun, may isa guys. So, may isa guys. May isa. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. 1 kill. Asan na yung iba? Asan na kayo? Asan na kayo? Asan na ba kayo? Okay, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oops! Ayun. Ayun, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Ako, ang hirap. Oh my god. Ay, ako, ang hirap naman. Oh my god. Question guys. Yo, ako ang na-dead guys. So, my mission is failed. Pero, napaka-stubborn ko guys. Kaya, kailangan ko siyang i-try ulit. Ayaw kong tigilan to, hindi matapos to. Okay. Asa na yung... Ayan. Okay. Go. Oh my god. Ang layo. Okay. 1 down. 1 down, 1 down, 1 down. Where are you na? Where are you na ba? Naku. Oops, 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 oops. Where are you? I can't see you. Ay, my goodness. Nandito na pala siya. Okay, 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 okay. Uy, naku. Naunahan niya na naman ako, guys. So, I cannot get the headshot. So, kung mag-quit ako or hindi, no, ayaw kong mag-quit. I want to retry again. Tingnan ko. This is it. Oh my god, pang tatlong retry na ako guys. Kailangan makuha ko na to siya. Kailangan ma-mission accomplish ko na to. Oh my goodness, this mission accomplished. Okay, okay, where are you? Cut! Ayun ka, ikaw isa. 1 down guys, 1 down. 1 down. Where are you? Okay. Oh shit, yun guys. Ayun guys, okay. Okay. 2 down. Ayan guys. 2 down. 2 down. 2 down. Where are you? 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 Ayan siya. Oh my god, ang hirap naman. 3 down guys, 3 down. So. 3 down siya guys. Okay, where are you? Asan pa yung iba? Ako naman, delikado to. Ang hirap. Hindi ko nakikita agad. Ayan siya pala. Oh my god, kasi 4 down guys, 4 down. So, isa na lang guys. Isa na lang yung hahanapin ko. Oops. Asan ka? The last one. Okay. Oh my god. Hindi pa natamaan. Oh my god, nakadalawang putok na ako. Hindi pa natamaan. Ikaw ah? Ayan sa'yo. Sapol ka ngayon. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys.